Hello everyone, welcome back to your art and craft classes. In today's video we will learn how to draw and color an owl. So you can have a pencil, a black sketch pen, do not use a marker if you're doing it in art file or any thin sheet. Then of course an eraser, and I have already drawn the border, you can see here, and I'm going to use this colors, crayons. Alright, let's just start it. I would suggest you to do it only with the pencil first. I'm drawing it very slowly. Let's just start it. My sheet is a horizontal, so we will start it from the right hand side. Okay, let me show you more closely. All right, so we will draw a tree first, like this. Till here, and then a stump where we're going to sit a owl, and end this tree. All right, this is our first step. Second, we will make some lines inside this tree. Look at this how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. Okay, we have done the tree and the stump. Now we will add some leaves. Alright, we have done the background, not full but some of them. Now we will start making the owl. For the owl, we all know owl mouth is round. So you can take a help of any circular thing like a cap or something, and we just draw the big circle here like this. Here, big circle, and a small circle here. Can you see? Now let's just make it complete one. How? Ears, 1, 2, and the face, body, can you tell me what I'm making right now? Yes, they are the wings. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Legs. Now we will make the eyes very carefully. For the eyes, you can make 2 circles here. 1, big eyes we're going to make, and meet this eye together. Make sure it should be similar gap from right and left hand side. Okay, now what we will do, only outline the outer part, not the center. All right, now we are making eyes like this, inner eyes like this. I drawn this V shape and a circle. Do it with me. And we will leave a small, very small white circle inside it. Very small white circle. And do it black. Alright, eyes are done. Let's make a cute nose. And the mouth. Let's make some feather design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an owl is completed. Now we will add some more background clouds. I'm adding here, as my owl is sitting on a top, very high in the tree, top of the tree. So I'm making some impression of the clouds. One more. And here we're going to draw a moon. Half moon, okay? And our drawing is done. Now let's just start with the coloring. You can be ready with your colors. Till then, I'm just erasing my pencil work. You also have to do it every time you draw anything. After completing your sketch pen over your pencil, always erase your pencil work, so that it will be neat and clean. Only sketch pen work would be there. Now we will start coloring it. As I always say to you, suggest to you, always take a rough shade beneath it, or newspaper, or rough shade, so that you will get a proper smooth texture, not a table rough texture in your coloring. So let's just start always from the above, and I'm going to use a purple, or you can use a dark blue. Let's use the dark purple in the above sky. And I always told you earlier also, always outline it first before you coloring anything. So I'm outlining every boundaries. Do not do it in the moon. Moon is going to be white, remained white only. As we have done the outlining, fill them in one direction. Like this. Make sure you fill each and every pores. Sheet should not be visible. Purple is done. Let's move to the dark blue. In this I will do dark blue. In the middle one you can use some sky blue color. Let's say if I do in this one, we will use all the cool colors as it's a moonlight. And rest of all the clouds we will do the dark blue. And sky is done. Yellow, then green, very lightly it will appear. I want them leaves to glow here. Alright, and then we will use same yellow here. Here. Orange. Do not do any color in the eyes. It will be remain white only. brown in the beak. I have two browns here, light and dark. So we will use different browns in the tree. Alternatively. Our drawing is almost done. In the end, I'm going to take the black color and we'll give a little bit shading on the top of it. In the corners only. In this direction and in this direction, vertically, horizontally, both the directions. Mainly dark in the corners. Slowly as we go into the middle, it can be lighter. A little bit in this corner also. Just to give an impression of night. Now at very last, if you have any fluid or a whitener, just use it to make some stars. Just some dots you need to make with a whitener or a fluid you can use. It's the same thing. Do not make it or spread it a little more. Just some small dots. You can call it an owl scenery. And here we are done. Brown color in this design. And here our owl scenery painting is done with the crayons. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you liked it.